Here is a clear sign of things to come. Artificial intelligence technologies are starting to impact white-collar jobs. And Microsoft saved more than $500 million in its call centers alone last year by using artificial intelligence, Bloomberg News reported on Wednesday. NNTHE tech giant last week announced plans to lay off nearly 4% of its workforce as it looks to rein in costs amid hefty investments in AI infrastructure. In May, the company had announced layoffs affecting around 6,000 workers. NNAI generated 35% of the code for new products, accelerating launch times, Althoff said, according to the report. NNTHE Windows Maker has earmarked $80 billion in capital spending this fiscal year, with most of it aimed at expanding data centers to ease capacity bottlenecks for artificial intelligence services. NNAI in call centers is transforming customer service by automating routine tasks, providing 24/7 support, and enhancing agent performance. AI-powered systems utilize technologies like natural language processing (NLP) and automatic speech recognition (ASR) to understand and respond to customer inquiries, freeing up human agents for more complex issues. NNAI is revolutionizing call centers by enhancing efficiency, improving customer experience, and enabling agents to provide more personalized and effective support. Handling routine inquiries. AI chatbots and virtual assistants can answer FAQs, track orders, and resolve basic issues, reducing call volume for human agents. Streamlining workflows. AI can automate tasks like data entry, call routing, and scheduling, improving overall efficiency. 24/7 availability. AI-powered systems can provide support around the clock, improving customer satisfaction and accessibility. Personalized interactions. AI can analyze customer data and past interactions to offer tailored solutions and recommendations. Improved call quality. AI can monitor calls for tone, sentiment, and compliance, providing feedback to agents and ensuring consistent service and improved customer experience. AI can handle a large volume of calls, reducing hold times and improving response times. NNAI tools were helping improve productivity in segments from sales and customer service to software engineering, and the company has begun using AI to handle interactions with smaller customers, Microsoft's Chief Commercial Officer Judson Althoff said during a presentation this week, according to the Bloomberg News report.